All right, you might notice something a little bit different about today's video. I have some glasses on, and these are Kate Spade frames, and I actually have another pair of glasses, and there's a story behind it, and these ones are a little glary, so I'm going to change them real quick. Interesting. Here's the new ones. Very cool. Okay, so let me tell you the story behind these glasses. I like to do my videos without glasses on. So, it was time for new glasses. My other ones were really scratchy and just kind of old. And so we went and picked out some new glasses at kind of a higher end place. We usually go to the mall and it's usually like $300 per pair. And I'm stressed out and grouchy about it. And I hate going shopping for glasses because it's always so expensive. So we went to actually a higher end place and I picked out one pair, and the girl was explaining to me that the blue light from all of our iPhone or iPad, laptop screens, all of that blue light is actually really bad for our eyes, and it messes up our circadian rhythm. So they've developed this it's this amber shade. There's like a yellowish kind of amber shade over these glasses that helps block that blue light so that so you sleep better and it doesn't harm your eyes. What does it lead to? Macular degeneration or something. They're finding that all of our phones and devices cause that. And since I'm a computer girl and I'm just on my stuff all the time, that's definitely going to be a factor for me. So I wanted to get that amber coating, but I didn't want to have like amber glasses all the time, just when I'm working on the computer. So a mini dilemma, right? Like normally glasses are really stressful because they're expensive to get one pair, and now I needed two pairs, regular pair and these computer glasses. And then I realized, well, I have a health savings account, an HSA, and it has enough money in it. We've had the HSA for 2 years. And here's the thing, this is why I got to get two pairs of glasses. Because we're healthy. We never use that health savings account. So I got both pair. And all the way home, I was just so grateful that, we eat really well. We're never sick. We're never going to the doctor like every week or every month or whatever. We take care of ourselves and our bodies. And because of that, I get to get two pairs of glasses, Kate Spade frames, and glasses that are going to help my eyes as I'm working all day. So I get to take even better care of myself and my eyes because we're healthy and we have that big HSA, that health savings account. So I was just so excited to share that, and that's kind of the value of being healthy. So when you tell me that it's expensive to eat healthy, I'm going to wink at you from behind my Kate Spades because I know how much money you can save by eating healthy and taking good care of yourself. It saves you so much money, you feel good all the time, and you get to treat yourself to really special things like two pairs of glasses, and good things come to you when you are healthy. So thanks for watching, and comment down below, what do you think of my new glasses? The glare's a little wacky, but other than that, pretty cool, huh? All right, I'll talk to you soon.